Good morning. Welcome to Angrezi Medium. Let us quickly start with the words. The first one is fervid. Fervid means passionate, enthusiastic. Example, this batch of officers is very fervid. Officers का ये बैच बहुत ही enthusiastic है, fervid है. Next one is abstain. Abstain means self-denial. To restrain oneself from doing or enjoying something. अपने को किसी काम को करने से रोकना. Example, I abstain from smoking while at home. मैं जब घर पर होता हूँ मैं अपने आप को स्मोक करने से रोकता हूँ. Next one is placate. Placate means to appease somebody, to satisfy, to make someone less angry than before. किसी को शांत करना, उसका गुस्सा कम करना. Example, the new employee can easily placate the boss with his good work. नया एम्प्लॉय गुस्सा कम कर सकता है अपने बॉस का अपने अच्छे काम से. He can placate him. The next one is capricious. Capricious means something given to sudden and unaccountable changes of mood or behavior. Something that is very unpredictable. Example, he has a very capricious temper. उसका गुस्सा बहुत ही unpredictable है, capricious है. The last one is corroborate. Corroborate means to confirm or give support to a statement, theory or any finding. किसी चीज़ को support करना. Example, I corroborate to your research. Means I support your research. मैं आपके research को support करता हूँ, उसे confirm करता हूँ. I am with that report, research. So these were the words for today. Do subscribe to our channel Angrezi Medium. Thank you.